the crap? Oh, that's loud. This video has been a really great success, and time is not changing. Okay, there we go. So this video was a huge success. Yeah. So this is just a pause break from the video to show you the damage of the nuke that I just launched from, did that even damage it? Whoa. That didn't even damage it. That's cool. That's real cool. I could do this again if I wanted to. So, continuing with the video, starting now. Oh my god. What is crap? Oh my god, my head. My head. Oh my god, what the crap happened to myself? So, wait, what? alive right now? I'm seriously alive right now. I don't. Oh yeah, I do. Nope, no. I'm on fire, but I'm not taking any damage. Interesting enough. Ow. Oh my god, my head. So is this what caused the explosion? I wish that zombie wouldn't try and attack me. Or whatever that thing is. Must have been a player that died during the nuke. Although I don't live near anyone. What is that? What the crap is that? It's oh, what the? What is going on? Nope, it's expanding and doing what? Wow, is... Ow. That thing just exploded. Wow. So this is what caused that? How did I just... No, don't step in there. How did I just go into the sky? I guess I flew into the sky and took damage? I took quite a lot of damage. Clearly, ow. I still take damage even though, well, even though my head is half gone. Oh, and my leg. Also really crazy. What's also really crazy is that I lived. Where can I go from here? Oh. Well, this thing broke, but just one block. One block broke? From that nuke over there? Wow. Well. Oh, I'm getting kind of hungry. What happens if I punch this sheet down? See, time seems to have slowed somehow. Oh, it died. It probably got hurt by the blast. Man, I can remember a slideshow of explosions. That's all I remember from blast. What the crap? I am very confused. Okay, that is it, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, which I spent like I'd say a bit less than an hour on. Let me just fix this one block. The one block that actually got destroyed by the blast. Oh, there's two. I need to be looking out for issues so I can use this again. Oh, this thing's getting laggy, as I thought it would. And then this thing should be retracted. That got blown up too. Okay. So I'm checking for damage so I can use this contraption again. And it should do that. Things are getting laggy. Well, I'm gonna check out on the rest of the contraption while I want you guys to have an amazing day. And like and subscribe, maybe even share anything you like. I don't really have an account on social media other than email. So, yeah. That's it. And I will be seeing you the next video. See ya!